Hello students, in the last videos we have solved many examples on Fourier series of period 2 pi, that is in the interval minus pi to pi and 0 to 2 pi. Today we will see the nature, even and odd nature of a function f of x, that is Fourier series of even and odd function. First we will see what is even and odd functions. So if f of x is a function or a function f of x is said to be even function if f of minus x is f of x. If you replace this x as minus x, you will get the same function f of x. Then we say that our function f of x is even function. If you replace x as minus x in a given function f of x, you will get the same function f of x. Then we say that our f of x is even function. For example, x square, x raised to 4, x raised to 10 and so on. These all are even functions. You can check here, if f of x is equal to x square and you replace x as minus x. If you replace your x as minus x, you will get minus x whole square, which is nothing but what? Plus x square only. This plus x square is what? Your f of x. Therefore, what we got here? F of minus x is nothing but f of x. Then we say that our x square is even function. Similarly for x raised to 4, x raised to 8, x raised to 10. And if f of x is cos x and you replace x as minus x, that is cos of minus x, which is nothing but what? Plus cos x, and this is your f of x. So cos x is also a even function. A function f of x is said to be even function if f of minus x is equal to plus f of x, then our function is even. Similarly, what do you mean by odd function? A function f of x is said to be odd function if f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. If you replace your x as minus x, you will get minus into f of x. Then we say that our function f of x is odd function. For example, x cube, x raised to 7, x raised to 29 and so on. If you take your f of x as x raised to 7 and you replace x as minus x in your f of x, you will get minus x raised to 7, which is nothing but minus into x raised to 7. So minus, what is your x raised to 7 here? Your f of x, minus f of x. So f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. Then we say that given function is odd function. And if f of x is equal to sin x and you replace x as minus x, sin of minus x is nothing but minus sin x. Therefore, sin function is odd function. So, this is the meaning of even and odd. Now, in Fourier series, there are two properties. So, property 1 is the product of two even functions. The product of two even functions and that of two odd functions. Product of two even functions and that of two odd function is always even function. Product of two even functions and that of two odd functions is always even function. You can see here, if we take two even functions, that is, suppose one is x raised to 4 and another one is cos 2x. These two are even function. Then product of these two even function is always even function. And if you take two odd functions, that is x into sine x. X is also odd function and sine x is also odd function. Then odd into odd is always even function. And the product of an even and an odd function is, product of an even and odd function is always odd function. For example, x square into sine x, this is our odd function. This is our first property. Second property is, in Fourier series, second property is, suppose integration from minus a to plus a pi of x dx. Pi of x is one function and these are the two limits. Integration from minus a to plus a pi of x dx is written as 2 into integration from 0 to a pi of x dx. If our function pi of x is even. If given function pi of x is even, then we write this function as 2 into 0 to a pi of x dx when it is even. If it is odd, our pi of x is odd, then it is equal to 0. If pi of x is odd. This is second property, which will be help us while solving the problems. If pi of x is even function, then this function is written as 2 into 0 to a pi of x is pi of x into dx. And if pi of x is odd function, then this function is equal to 0. To this we have two cases. Suppose our function f of x is a periodic function defined in the interval minus pi to pi. A function f of x is periodic function of period 2 pi defined in the interval. Keep in mind that in the interval minus pi to pi, not 0 to 2 pi. Minus pi to pi. If our function f of x is defined in the interval minus pi to pi, this is also an interval of period 2 pi only, because pi minus of pi is nothing but what? 2 pi. So this is also interval of period 2 pi. Suppose our f of x is defined in the interval minus pi to pi of period 2 pi, then our Fourier coefficients are nothing but here a naught is equal to 1 divided by pi integration from minus pi to pi, because interval is minus pi to pi, f of x dx. An is nothing but what? 1 divided by pi integration from minus pi to pi f of x into cos nx dx, and bn is nothing but what? 1 divided by pi integration from minus pi to pi f of x into sin nx dx. This is the Fourier constants of period when our function f of x is of period 2 pi. So now we redefine this by using our two properties. So here there are two cases. Case 1 is Let us take our function f of x is even function. Here there are two cases. One is we take f of x is even function. When f of x is even function, you can see here in an we have f of x into cos nx. F of x is even function. So f of x into cos nx. Cos being what? Cos is nothing but even function only. So even into even being the product of two even functions is also even. F of x into cos nx being the product of two even functions is also, means this function is also, overall function is also even function. And f of x here, f of x into sin nx, f of x into sin nx being the product of even and odd function, because sin is odd function and here we have taken f of x as even. Even into odd is always odd by property 1. So by this we can redefine or rewrite our Fourier coefficients as a naught is equal to 1 by pi when our function is even, f of x, when f of x is even or our given function is even, by property 2. How you write this one? When pi of x is even, 2 into integration from 0 to a. What is our a here? A is nothing but what? Pi. So 0 to pi of x dx. Pi is nothing but here our f of x dx. So this is our a naught. Similarly, an is written as 1 divided by pi integration from, now you can see here pi of x into cos nx is nothing but this product is even by property 2. F of x into cos nx is even because f of x is taken as even function. So this product is even. Therefore, when it is even function, when pi of x is even function, we write the whole function as 1 by pi is as it is in even or an. 1 by pi as it is, 2 into integration from 0 to a. A is nothing but pi of x dx. Our pi of x is what here? F of x into cos nx dx. This is our an. Bn is 1 by pi. Now you can see here, what is our bn here? F of x into sin nx. In our first case, f of x into sin nx is what? Odd function. So product of even and odd is odd. So whole function is odd function. When our pi of x is odd, we write this function as 0. So here f of x into sin nx is what? Odd function. So we write this function here, this function as 0. So 1 by pi into 0. Therefore bn is equal to 0. So we have to keep in mind that when a given function is even function, when a given function is whatever it may be f of x, may be sin x, cos x, whatever it may be, if it is a given function is even function, a naught is nothing but 2 divided by pi integration from 0 to pi f of x dx. An is 2 by pi integration from 0 to pi f of x into cos nx, and bn is 0. When a given function is even function in the interval minus pi to pi. In the interval minus pi to pi. You have to check the given interval also. Minus pi to pi. In minus pi to pi, if given function is even function, a naught is nothing but 2 by pi integration from 0 to pi f of x dx. An is 2 by pi integration from 0 to pi f of x cos nx dx, and Bn is directly it is 0 when it is even. Suppose our f of x is odd function. Suppose f of x is odd function, then odd into cos nx. Cos nx is what? Even function. Odd into even is what? Odd function. So f of x into cos nx is odd function, and f of x into sin nx. Now we have taken here f of x as odd function. So odd into odd is even function. So f of x, suppose our function f of x is odd function, then f of x into cos nx is odd function, and f of x into sin nx is even. That is product of two odd functions is even, and one is odd, one is even, then it is odd function. So this is by property 1. Then by using property 2, we rewrite our Fourier coefficients as a naught is equal to 1 by pi as it is integration from, you can see here f of x is what? Odd function. When it is odd function, we write this as 0. So 1 by pi into 0, that is a naught is equal to 0. An is equal to 1 by pi into, you can see here an is f of x into cos nx. What is your f of x into cos nx? Odd function. When it is odd, then we write integration from minus pi to pi f of x cos nx dx as 0. So this is also 0. An is equal to 0. Next, Bn is nothing but 1 divided by pi integration. You can check here f of x into sin nx is even function. When it is even function, we write this as 2 into integration from 0 to a. Our a is nothing but here pi f of x. F of x is what here? F of x into sin nx dx. So always keep in mind that in the interval minus pi to pi, if a given function is odd function, a naught and an are directly 0. Bn is 2 divided by pi integration from 0 to pi f of x sin nx dx. So we have to keep in mind that if a given function is defined in the interval, we have to check. First we have to check whether the given function, in which interval they have gave. So first we have to check the interval here. Then we have to check whether the given function is even or odd. If it is even, if f of x is even, then our a naught is 2 divided by pi integration from 0 to pi f of x dx. An is 2 divided by pi integration from 0 to pi f of x sin nx dx, and Bn is equal to 0 when f of x is even. Suppose given function f of x is odd, then a naught is directly 0, an also 0, Bn is 2 divided by pi integration from 0 to pi f of x sin nx dx. Sorry, this an is cos nx. So Bn is 2 by pi integration from 0 to pi f of x sin nx dx. To this we can conclude that when x belongs to the interval minus pi to pi, if f of x is even function, if our x belongs to the interval minus pi to pi and f of x is even function, then Bn is equal to 0. If f of x is odd function, if f of x is odd function, a0 and an are 0. If our point or our x belongs to the interval minus pi to pi and if f of x is even, Bn is 0. If it is odd, a0 and an are 0. We have to calculate here a0 and an, and here we have to calculate only Bn. We have one note here. If f of x is defined as like this, pi of x, that is in double function, pi of x in minus pi to 0 and psi of x in 0 to pi. So because we are defining in the interval minus pi to pi, so minus pi to pi, if our f of x is like this, that is double function, we say that f of x is even, f of x is even if pi of x is equal to psi of x. This function is equal to this function. And it is odd if pi of x is equal to, pi of minus x is equal to minus psi of x. Here it is minus. We say that the given function f of x is even if pi of minus x is equal to plus psi of x, then it is even. If pi of minus x is equal to minus psi of x, then it is odd function. For example, if f of x is equal to minus x in minus pi to 0 and plus x in 0 to pi, then we can say here, what is our pi of x here? Pi of x is minus x. Then pi of minus x is what? Minus of, in place of x we are putting minus x. So minus x, minus of minus it is plus x. So plus x is what here? Psi of x. This is our psi of x. This is pi of x. You can see here pi of minus x is equal to plus psi of x. Therefore our f of x is even function. You can take another example here. F of x is equal to 1 plus 2x by pi in minus pi to 0 and 1 minus 2x by pi in 0 to pi. So our pi of x is what here? 1 plus 2x by pi and psi of x is 1 minus 2x by pi. If you replace x as minus x in pi of x, you will get 1 plus 2 into minus x divided by pi. 2 into minus x is minus 2x by pi. So this is what? Our psi of x. So pi of minus x is equal to plus psi of x. Therefore our f of x is even function. Suppose you can take another example here. F of x is x minus pi by 2 in minus pi to 0 and x plus pi by 2 in 0 to pi. Our pi of x is what here? X minus pi by 2 and psi of x is x plus pi by 2. So if you put x as minus x in pi of x, x is minus x minus pi by 2. You can take minus sign common outside, minus, I took minus sign outside, we left with plus x. minus sign goes outside, plus pi by 2 minus what is this? X plus pi by 2 is psi of x. So minus psi of x. Pi of minus x is equal to minus psi of x. Then this is odd function. Our f of x is odd function. Like this, we have to check whether the given function is even or odd.